Go over our new Insight Health Apps affiliate program. If you are here with me today, then you are either interested in our affiliate program or you are new here, and we've just launched this about 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on how to utilize this affiliate program to the best of your ability. So this is our home page. When you log into your affiliate program after you've registered and signed up, this is where you will go. This is your affiliate referral link. Now this will take you directly to the Insight Health Apps homepage. If you were interested in sending someone to a special unique page within our website, this is what I advise you to do. I'm going to go over here and, for example, I'm going to have someone go to our Genius Insight download page. This is a great informational page about the Genius Insight. I would then go back to my affiliate program, click on Generate Other Links. I would drop that link right in here, click Generate. I would then come down here to the link generator. Now what you'll find here is a direct link to the page which we used. Your unique affiliate link will be directly below, right here in the highlight. This is the link you will send to your referral. If you are going to embed this on your website, you can go ahead and use this code right here. You can design your own image to put behind that, or you can simply just write, "Learn more about the Genius Insight download page, click here." Now, if you were going to put something on your website and the page is already embedded behind it, this is where you would go. You can simply get HTML code right from here. This is where it will take you. If you scroll down here, this is the set URL. This will take you to, which is our hardware accessories. You simply download the code by clicking on that. This is our URL for our PEMF wearable. This is for the PEMF device collection. So these are images that you can put on your website, and these are already embedded with your unique tracking code for your affiliate system. This will log all of your traffic in your dashboard, and if anything ends up in a sale, it will then be logged in your profile under orders. You'll be able to keep track of all of your orders and your payments that are sent to you. Please make sure you have set up your payment method so we can send you your payment. If you are going to refer someone over to our program, I would advise you to scroll down and read on this two-tier information. A two-tier program, for example, is if I referred Betty to the Genius program and Betty then referred Barbara, I would end up with a 10% override for that referral. Betty would end up with a 20% commission. Make sure you do have this signed up and set up efficiently for people that you are working with, so you do get the system tracking properly and to ensure you do get that 10% override. Again, this is a great feature. We have statistics here. This will log visits that you have sent people to our website. All of your traffic will be logged here. Just such a great system we have here, and we really are encouraging everyone to jump on board and get things rolling out with us. If you have any questions, you can always email me, admin@insighthealthapps.com.